Hello students, today in this video we will learn motion twin and motion guide twin in Animate CC. First we will see motion twin. What is motion twin? When we specify the starting and ending position of an object in the keyframe, so Animate automatically fills in between frames by creating the animation. So what is motion twin? It is best suited for creating movement, size and rotation changes. Like if you want to move the car, so you will use motion twin. If you want to bounce the ball, what will you use? You will use motion twin for movement. Next term is motion guide. What is motion guide? To understand motion guide, let's take an example. When you visit an unknown place, you don't know which path to follow to reach your destination. So what will you do at that time? You will prefer to take a help of guide who knows the route. He or she can help you to reach your destination. Similarly, in Animate CC, we have motion guide that defines the path of the movement for an object instead of having an object move from one point to another in a straight path. You can make it follow an arbitrary path. Whatever you will do, that is motion guide. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल ए बॉल, अगर आप बॉल को बाउंस कराना चाहते हो तो जहाँ पर भी आप पाथ ड्रॉ करोगे उसी पाथ पर आपकी बॉल मूव करेगी. दिस इज मोशन गाइड. नाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड this by using practical. We will do practical of motion twin and motion guide. Motion twin. How can we do practical of motion twin? For that, add symbol. As you know, this is frame 1. Click on it, then add symbol from the library. To open the library, shortcut key is Ctrl+L. Press Ctrl+L and then library of symbols will be opened. From here you can add symbol anywhere, wherever you want. Then after, click on the timeline. On the timeline, click on any frame. Select any frame, whatever frame you want to select, you can select. Right now I am selecting frame number 65. Select it. Then after, insert keyframe. To insert keyframe, click on insert, then keyframe. And if you want to use shortcut key, you can use shortcut key. Shortcut key to insert keyframe is F6. It is visible on the screen also. Either press F6 or insert, then keyframe. Click on it. After doing this, what will you do? You will move this at the desired location. Then after, right click on any frame, right click and then choose create motion twin. Then test the movie. To test the movie, control, then test movie. And shortcut key to test it, Ctrl+Enter. Either press Ctrl+Enter or click Control Test Movie. Click on it. This is a motion twin. Next we will see motion guide twin. As it is clear by name also, in this we will guide for motion. How we can apply? Again we will add the symbol. Click on this. Click on frame 1. Then add the symbol. After adding symbol, next is click on any frame. Click, then insert keyframe. After inserting keyframe, next step is add guide layer. Click here to add guide layer. Here we will draw the path now. Click on the frame 1 and draw the path. Use pencil tool to draw the path and choose smooth. Then draw path wherever you want to bounce it. Done. After this, now use selection tool. Click on frame 1, use selection tool and move it. Now click on last frame Then after, move this ball at the destination point. After this, click on layer 1, then create motion twin, and from the properties window you will click on CW. It is clockwise. Click on it. Now play it. Move is moving on the drawing path now. This is motion guide layer. Motion guide twin.